Hello guys, today I will show you how to do binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we will show binary addition. Binary addition. So given 1 0 1 0 1 0 and you take it as a C 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. Then what will be the answer? 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 plus 0, it's 1. 0 plus 1, it's 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 means 10. And in binary, and we will take sorry, we will take carry 1 from it. So 1 plus 1 it's 10, 0. We'll take 1 carry and the carry will go here. 1 plus 0 plus 1 means 10. So again 0 here and carry 1 will go here. 1 plus 1 plus 0 means 10 again, but there is no next number, so the 10 will position here. So this is the answer for binary addition. Now we will see about binary. Let's see binary subtraction. Okay, before seeing binary subtraction we need to remember one thing. See, in binary 0 means 0, 1 means 1, 10 means 2, and 11 means 3, 100 means 4, 101 means 5. These are binary. These are binary, and these are the decimal. Okay. So now see here 1 0 1 0 1 0, and here 0 1 1 1 0 1. So how we will do it? See 0 1. We need to subtract 1 from 0. So you will take 1, borrow 1 from here. This 0 will borrow 1 from here, and it will become 10. And in binary tens mean 2 in decimal. So we will and it will become 0. It will become now 0. It will become 0. So and it will become 2. So 2 minus 1, it's 1. Okay. And so 0 minus 0, it's 0. And here again. So we will follow the same step. So it will take a 1 borrow and it will become 10, and 10 decimal is 2, and it will become 0. Okay, decimal is 2, so 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 1. And again here it's 0. So it will take borrow from the next number, but next number is 0. So it will go to the next number and he will give the borrow to him. So it will become 0 and it will become 10, and then this number will take borrow from here. So it will become 1 and it will become 10. So and 10 means what? 10 means 2. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0. So this is the answer for our binary subtraction. Now we will see binary multiplication. Binary multiplication. So here given 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 1 1 0 1. So what do we need to? Okay, this is too big, so we can take much shorter number. Okay, so 1 1 0, and we can take 1 1. So 1 into 0 means 0. 1 1 means 1 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. And now for the second number, 1 0 into 0 0. 1 into 1 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. And now we will do addition. 0 0. 1 plus 0 means 1, and there is 1 plus 1 means 10. Then it will be 0, carry 1 will go here. 1 plus 1, it's 10 again, and there is no next number, so it will become 10. So this is the answer for our binary multiplication. Now we will see binary division. Binary division. Okay. So the number is given here 1 1 0, and here is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So how we will do it? Okay, so first number is 1. Is 1 is less than 110, so we'll put 0 here. So we'll put 0 here. Okay, and then 1 come here, and this is the this is the minus. There will be minus. So 1 minus 0, then it's the 1, and then the second number, it will arrive here, and it become 10. 10 is less than 110, so again it's 0. Again it's become 0. So 0 0 and 1. Okay, the third number is 1. It will come here. So 101 is still less than 110. So the answer is 0. Again 101. Okay, and then the fourth number will come here. Okay, the fourth number is what? 0. Okay, but now 1010 is greater than 110. So now we'll put 1 1 1 1 0. Oh, sorry, there. So this 0 is 0, and now this 0 is here 0. This 0 is here 0, and this 0 is here is 0. Okay, and see, so 1 1 0. Now we'll subtract. 0 means 0, 1 equals 0, and it will borrow 1 from here, and it will become 0, and it will become 10. And we show in our previous slide that 10 is 10 binary 10 decimal is 2. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and the fifth number, so it's 1. Okay, the fifth number is, now the fifth number will come here. The fifth number is 1, and 1001 is greater than 110, so we'll put 110 here, 1 here. Okay, so 0 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 1 0 1, so it will take borrow from here, so it will become 0. It will become 10, but it will give borrow to this, so it will become 1, and it will become 10. So 10 means 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 0 means 0. Okay, so that now the sixth number will come here. So sixth number will come here, so it will become 0. So now 110 equal to 110, so 110, and here is 1. So now nothing left. So our answer is 0 0 0 1 1 1. So this is our answer. So I think you understand how to do binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.